Spring weather finally is making a northward surge. A couple of things are happening in this weather pattern because of that as we go through the middle part of May. One thing over the next couple of weeks, there are some shower chances that will be moving northward into the northern plains and bring at least a few opportunities for more than just sprinkles of rain. We'll see how well they go. I do think they'll be scattered, not promising an end to the northern plains drought, but maybe some improvement. The main stormy weather, I do expect to remain down in the mid-south, where I do expect a few more rounds of severe weather over the next couple of weeks. But the cold air is basically in retreat, and I'll show you why. Let's take a look at the large-scale weather pattern. We are still been fairly cold this past first few days of May. Numerous frosts into the northern plains. That's largely because of this northern branch, this smaller part of the jet stream, which over the course of this week will be gradually in retreat. Now, we're not going to see a grand warm-up. The real warmth will remain south of the jet stream. That's going to mean a lot of the southwest, the southern Rockies, California, Arizona, New Mexico, South Texas, Florida, of course, the usual hot spots this time of year. And the main southern part of the country will be fairly warm. I look for this region, the Corn Belt, this week to be relatively rainy with showers and thunder showers, which will likely keep the temperatures from getting terribly hot. As we go toward the end of the week, there will be some 70-degree temps that get up into the Dakotas and maybe a shy 80. I don't really expect that to manifest itself as a hot weather pattern, but that will eventually signal a chance for some scattered showers and thunder showers into the northern plains. Note the cold weather, it's really in retreat up around the Hudson Bay region, mostly staying behind this northern little branch of the jet stream, which a couple of weeks ago was delivering very cold air into the center of the country. Now it is continuing to be sort of in retreat. There will be a minor little surge of cool weather about this weekend into the north. We'll probably feel that in North Dakota and Minnesota as well, but it's not going to be anything that spectacular. Meanwhile, as we go into the second week of this forecast period, now May 16th through 22nd, still looking for fairly warm weather throughout the Corn Belt. The real heat, any upper 80s, 90s, that's going to stay down in the south. Southwest may get a few temps up around 100 degrees, and I do expect an area 70s and 80s to build out in the high plains of western Canada. And that's a part of course, the very dry weather that has been persistent up there. And we'll continue to see a few warm days coming up into the northern plains. For this week, May 9th through 15th, there will be some scattered showers and thunder showers as far north as Nebraska and Iowa. Maybe some rain into the Dakotas and Minnesota, but probably not much. The main stormy pattern further south. The second week of the period, there's going to be some showers up into the northern plains, probably not widespread heavy rains as the main storm track stays south.